Hey YouTube gang, we're out filming today, but there's this little shop here. There's a lot of these little restaurants. They got ramen noodles, supposed to be the best. Let's go check it out. Hello, ¿cómo está? Hello, I'd like to try the pancit. You got pancit with eggs? Okay, can I have 2 ate? Hello. And then also, do you have pork rind? The fried pork? Like these ones, the dry one, is it? I'm not sure what they call it in Tagalog. The pork skin that's fried. Chicharron? Yeah. Oh, okay, chicharron, yes. And 2 chicharron. So the pancit, it comes in 2 dishes. There's like a dry noodle dish where you eat it kind of like spaghetti with no sauce. It's a dry noodle. But this pancit is going to be a little different. I understand that it's more of a soup, like a ramen noodle. So it should be interesting. We'll order it up, meet you at the table. Okay, so we got our food. He cooked it up, and talking to the owner more, it's called Pancit Bato. And what that means is literal translation to English. It means rock. So rock noodles. So we're eating it as a soup today. Let's put some spices on there. We got some spices. They like the chili peppers. This is really, really good. And I think that's gonna be pretty spicy. I got some other sauces here, soy sauce, but let's just stick with the heat. So we got the egg in there. Let's try it. Let's see what it is. Pancit Bato. Well, it's got the spice, I can taste that, but there's also a bunch of other flavors in there. It's hard to describe, but it's good. It's good. I'm not a big noodle person, but I still think it's actually good. The only thing why I'm not a big noodle person or a big rice person, because I always have this feeling and the sensation that after I eat the meal, 30 minutes later, I'm hungry again. So it was kind of surprising. Wow, the spices there. When they say Pancit Bato, meaning rock, before he cooked the noodles, they were rock hard in a bundle, but now they're all soft pretty quick. It's good. So we paid around 22 pesos for this meal, and the Pancit Bato, and 22 pesos, around 40 cents. Not bad. Something to fill you up, get you on the road. So some people, and I've tried this at other places in soups, but in America, we call it pork grinds, which is fried pork skin. You eat it like a potato chip or something like that, but here they call it chicharron. And basically they'll put that in the soup, and that pork grind, even though it's fried and hard and dry, in the soup, it will start to moisten up and become a little flexible. It's good too. Spicy. I didn't put a whole lot of the spice. Whoa, it's giving me the hiccups. So I didn't put a whole lot of spices in there, but you can taste it. It's very good. Pancit Bato. I like it, and I like the spices in there too. Man, the Bicol likes the spices. So the soup base, it has some kind of oil in there. And I guess it's kind of like a typical broth, but it's actually good. There's little minced green onions, which adds flavor. So overall, this is good. I like it. Would I eat it again? Yeah, it's a good price. It's got flavor. It's not that filling. You'd have to probably eat again here in an hour, but I'd eat this again. And for 40 cents, hey, why not? All right, YouTube family, we got to get back on the road. It was actually raining, so we got the Santa Claus sleigh on the go. Electrical should be done today. And we got to get back on the road. We got more adventures to do. This was just a quick meal. We'll talk to you soon.